Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how using the Adobe Photoshop. First, you can open it. And you can drag any picture that you want to do with, and just drag into the software. Like I'm going to choose the first one on the list. This is a girl with some problem with her skin, and today I'm going to fix it for her. And the left side is the tool that you can use. Today I'm going to use this one. You can just hold the left button of your mouth, and I will choose the second one. And you can zoom in to make sure you can see the detail very clearly. And first, you can press the option button for if your computer is the MacBook. You can press the option and choose a skin with a good condition. Like I will choose the skin right here. You can just press the left button, and you can just cover on it by pressing the left button of your mouth. See, it's very easy. And let's do this one. Choose this one and cover it. This one, cover it. And you can do this very quick because it's very easy to use. I think a boy should learn this because you can make a very beautiful picture for your girlfriend in the future. Yes, see? The girl looks pretty right now. And yeah, this is all I want to teach you guys today. Thank you very much. And oh, by the way, you can save the file by like save as. You can save the picture anywhere you want. And this is all I want to teach you guys today. Thank you for watching.